Welcome back. In this lesson, we will create our first visualization in Power BI. Visualization are the heart of Power BI and gonna help us to turn data into a meaningful information. Here I prepare an Excel just like sample, have sample data. So we're gonna import it using get data. And here we have the sheet. I'm gonna choose it from here. Then we're gonna click on load. After the loading has happened, we can check and review the name of the columns from here. Even we have here an option for a table view. If you click on table view, you can find the column names and the data you can find. We have here 4 regions: north, south, east, west, and even categorized based on the months, January or February. And we have here the sales and the revenue per month and per region. Let's go back again to the report view, and from here we're gonna have very simple example by go and choose the column chart, the second one here, which is gonna act as a placeholder for your data. It doesn't have anything, but once you click on the bar chart here, it will pop up for you some options like x-axis, y-axis, legend, and some other feature. Here I would like to go and drag the region on the x-axis, and I can drag the sales on the y-axis, and voila, as you can see, it categorized all the sales for the south, east, north, west based on the sales. Not only that, Power BI operate for us or generate for us an aggregation function, what we call it summation of the sales per region. So if you're gonna go back again to the table, it's like we have here in the north 1, 2, so we have here 2 rows. So he went to calculate the summation of this value with the summation of that value. So that's what we call it, aggregation function. Not only that, we have here another option, we call it format visual. It has so many features, but for now we're gonna go with data label. If you're gonna turn it on from here, you can find here the exact number of the south, east, north, and west. Here we have something like 4.1k. As you can see here 3.7. So just like turn on or turn it off. If we're gonna go back again to the view of this one, we can drag it left, right, any place in the report view. Even we have here one more option, we call it focus mode. Focus mode, personally I prefer it, so I can have the focus and read the report in more meaningful way. And if it's like amazing, doesn't have any mistakes, the colors, each and everything are fine, I will just like click on back again to the report, and maybe I'm gonna place it here on the right.